Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shoring up prerequisites. Focus on bonding, hybridization, resonance, and acid-base logic so mechanisms make sense. Once done, memorize 20 common functional groups and naming rules to read structures fast. Make sure to allocate 30 to 45 minutes daily for targeted practice and one longer weekly session for synthesis and retrosynthesis. This creates the scaffolding you need to dive into reaction mechanisms without confusion, and it prevents wasted time relearning basics during advanced problem solving. You now tackle the heart of organic chemistry, mechanisms and recurring patterns. Practice arrow pushing. Do 100 curated mechanisms, starting simple and increasing complexity so you internalize electron flow. Once comfortable, group reactions by mechanism, SN1 versus SN2, E1 versus E2, additions and rearrangements, so you predict outcomes quickly. Make reaction maps and concise summary sheets, and review them every 3 to 4 days to reinforce connections. This repetitive, structured approach trains your intuition for novel JEE-style problems. You finish by converting knowledge into performance. Run timed full-length JEE simulations 2 to 3 times weekly and analyze every mistake in detail. Once you identify weak spots, attack them with focused 20 to 30-minute mini-sessions that target one concept at a time. Make sure to practice mixed problem sets so transfer is automatic under pressure. If you get stuck during study or the exam, simplify the problem to core functional groups and rederive each step from first principles. This troubleshooting move resets your thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.